Let's hear from Anjali Gaikwad.
Hey, myself Anjali Gaikwad from Panvel. I have completed my Bachelor's of Management Studies in Marketing Specialization. I have been working in a logistic company for the past 1.5 years and now I am confident to manage the users and marketing strategy for the company as well. I have joined digital marketing to boost my skills and help my company to grow more in terms of marketing. The course helped me to learn a number of aspects from a digital perspective. I can create strategies for the brands. We can connect with the new and potential users through social media platforms. Digital marketing is quite vast, but slowly and gradually I am trying to grow in my career. The best part of ProiDeators is their faculty. I enjoyed learning in the classroom because we met different working professionals from different backgrounds. ProiDeators 100%, they are credible, trustworthy, transparent, and leading sources that deliver quality in digital marketing. Thank you.